Apricot honey butter, a delicious jam you can make from pantry staples. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all really need the old ways these days. Apricot honey butter is technically a conserve because it is made with dried fruit. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups chopped dried apricots. That's about 500 mLs. 2 tablespoons of grated lemon rind. For my European friends, that's about 25 mLs. 1/2 cup of lemon juice, which is 125 mLs. 1/4 cup finely chopped candied or crystallized ginger. Since this is a small batch recipe, you're going to want to use 1/4 pints or 1/2 pints. Go ahead and sanitize them because we do have a short processing time. Combine apricots, lemon rind, water, lemon juice, and the ginger in a medium stainless steel or enamel saucepan. Bring to a boil over high heat, cover, reduce the heat, and boil gently for 35 minutes or until apricots are tender, stirring frequently. Place the apricot mixture in a food processor or blender and process until smooth. Return to a saucepan, stir in 2/3 cup honey, which is 150 mLs. Return to a boil, reduce the heat, and boil it gently, uncovered, until the mixture is very thick, stirring frequently to prevent scalding on the bottom of the pan. This recipe makes about 2 cups. Ladle into sanitized jars and process in a boiling water bath. You're going to process the jars for 5 minutes. If you like this recipe, be sure to check out this other playlist I have with jams, jellies, and sweets. Check out the newest cookbook, Rebel Canners Recipe Files, available on Amazon. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.